Annyeonghaseyo everyone.
I'm Shaira from level 3.
I'm Jaylee from level 3.
I'm Kim from level 3.
I'm Janinia from level 3.
I'm Ashley from level 1.
And so today we're going to study and making assignments.
So we will teach you to grow.
Ito na all teach you.
Sige, ako'y pa. Pagkuhan na ko pa sira ko.
Ato tas ginaunahan dyan nga page. Dahil uy, sama.
Di ba tama?
Sige. They are
Our right, the short from she's, we aren't, etc. Sige, go. They are.
Ano na? Ano na?
We aren't.
We aren't.
Okay.
It is not.
It's not.
It's not.
It's not she.
Tuko no.
It is not she.
Mao. You are not.
I am not his.
That is.
I would like to thank all those
I am
who
not.
worked with me.
She's.
You are not.
Wearing.
Edition of
You are not wearing.
grammar use.
Sige.
Atong tanaw.
I am.
Kung pila mo correct.
Where you are having your how it's looking. How does it look?
Ay, di ang dot. I'm not. Mahali ba yung
Unit.
The
weather is.
What are you
I
doing
am
with the
not.
game.
Ano yung answer mo?
Is heavy.
also
These bags are
sorry,
heavy.
answer.
What na yung answer?
There are.
The garden measure.
Heavy.
So, but
I order is heavy.
My brother and I
are.
Emily as at home.
Emily is at home. Her
Her
children.
children.
Her children. I am a taxi driver. My sister is a nurse.
Sige. Complete the sentence.
I'm not hungry, but I'm thirsty.
Okay, next
Mr. Thomas is a very old man.
Okay.
I owe his 98.
Hello everyone. Today we're going to study. Introduce ourselves. My name is Nia. My name is Elna. And today we're going to study and making assignment. Ay, nalang.
Hindi, ang bikaon, be.
Mata niya si May.
Kinsay na laban niya na.
Kung wala, balik.
Di mo.
Mata niya si Duha.
Hindi ko mapita.
Matoy. Batig naman.
Uyo, dali po.
Okay lang.
Kesa ko nila. Ayaw diro bukan mag-video ni. Mag-video ni.
Tuloy na, isipin na lang ating
Muna na. Ang
Ang bawat matagal ka.
and mix numbers without or with grouping, solve non-methane problems involving addition and or subtraction of fraction using problem solving strategies and tools. Create problems with reasonable answers involving addition and or subtraction of fraction. Stevens prepared the London juice for his daughter. He mixed 1/5 cup of the London juice and 3/5 cup of water. How many cups of liquid did he mix? Lord, to solve the problem alone, we need to add 4.
Annyeonghaseyo everyone. We are going to introduce ourselves.
My name is Jamie.
My name is Samantha.
My name is Shine Me.
And we are going to memorize the story.
And answer the question.
Give me a house key. My
Ha? Ano boto ang bigda?
Saba.
Ay, malayo sa naman.
Doon ta sa one sunny day. Tutog sa alone. One sunny day, two best friends named Jack and Tom went on a journey. One, two, three, go. One sunny day, two best friends named Jack and Tom went on a journey through the forest. While walking, they saw a big bear coming towards them. Both friends were very scared. Tom ran away and climbed a tall tree to hide. Jack felt sad that his best friend had left him alone. Suddenly, a good idea came to Jack's mind. He lay on the ground and pretended to be dead. The bear came close to Jack and smelled him.
Alone.
Smelled him. Maura.
Ito nakalimutan ka ng tao who was watching on the tree.
Saw the bear.
From the tree.